Okay, today is June the 12th, 2017, and right now at 11 p.m. we have a temperature of 58 degrees. The relative humidity is 51%. The dew point is 40 degrees, and the barometer is at 29.92 inches, and that is up from yesterday. Last night at this time, we were watching this upper level low, which was right over California and Nevada, moving south. And since that time, we've been watching this high pressure build. Right here, we have a second area of high pressure, which is starting to fill out right in this area. And we have a transmitter right on top of this system here, which yesterday we only had half a system. As this system was sitting right over California, the upper part was generating precipitation and snow along the high Sierra, but down here in Southern California, where this other half should have been, we had no precipitation, just a lot of cloudy, actually very nice natural clouds in the sky, but no rain in the foothill areas. Okay, so today we see that the high pressure that's been installed in this area, very strong high pressure all through this area, has pushed this system up to the northeast. So this is being bulldozed away from California. Let's look at the bigger water vapor map right now. We can see this thing here is swirling. This is a giant low pressure system. And we have the jet stream up here, which is mushrooming into some high pressure right in this area. And we can see all that water vapor there moving clockwise. This is a very disorganized area. We also have a disturbance down here in the eastern East Pacific. This is Calvin right here. And if we take a look at the maps, right here where Calvin is identified, we can see that system is being targeted with microwave right there. And we can see the blast pattern all the way around. This system is being superheated with microwave and blown apart. We can see the blast wave, the shock waves, and same thing happening over here. Color change. It goes from a very intense blue, which is the far right end of this scale, intensity-wise, down to a turquoise by the end of the loop. All right, well, looking at the infrared map, we see the same thing. A lot of very intense thunderstorm activity right here where Calvin is. This is Calvin. Actually, right here is more, let's look at this again. Yeah, right here. Okay. This is actually Calvin right there, but this thing right behind it is being targeted, as is this one. Right now, we can really see some good evidence right here. That system is being targeted. All right, so the visible light map, we have a lot of photoshopping here on the, we have the night, or rather the day to night transition right there. So we have nighttime showing up right here on the second half of the loop. And we see all the photoshopping here to hide the detail. So by tomorrow morning, we should be able to catch some additional detail if these things are still, these thunderstorms are still here, which they probably will be. All right. So that's the report pretty much. There's really not a whole lot to report except that this system is being bulldozed away to the northeast. We should have had rain here in Southern California, plenty of rain from that weather system. There was snow up in the high Sierra and a lot of wind because of the fact that this system has a transmitter right on top of it. So you've got high pressure spinning clockwise and you've got low pressure spinning counterclockwise, and that will generate wind. And of course, as this system moves away from California, we see that it develops into a much more organized system as it leaves the area. However, it does still have a transmitter working on the core, the center. We see some angles here. Right angle right there. Okay, so that's pretty much the report. Here's the track for Calvin over the next couple of days, moving in a west-northwest direction. All right, so we'll just leave it here, and we will try to do another update tomorrow. All right, that's it.